We are Vaibhav's parents. I'm Shubha. He's Hari Prasad.
Hello, everybody. We thought we should take this opportunity to talk a little bit about Vaibhav and the role that alchemy plays in his life as a kid, right? So, what I would like to talk about is first, hailing from a family of artists, it was never a question of if Vaibhav would take to arts, right? It was always what art form would he choose, right? And at the same time, we also wanted to be careful about not forcing things upon him, right? Create a very passive environment where he could sort of get exposed to the different art forms and choose when time comes, be able to choose what he wants to do. Right?
He's always been a very communicative child, and he loves to repeat everything that he sees around him. And I think alchemy aided in several ways for him to express freely, for him to know what he actually likes, what he doesn't like, what he's scared of, and
So, in wanting to give him this environment, that pursuit led us to discovering alchemy, and from there on, it has been a very positive experience, we would say. And in 3 years of his
this is almost his third year is going to get completed. So few changes that we noticed is, few developments instead that we noticed is that he's always been a confident kid, but right now he knows exactly what he wants, and if something is misunderstood, he knows how to communicate that effectively, not just saying it and letting it go. He knows how to communicate it effectively, and he's also very thorough about it. He makes sure that the other person understands, and they've got the right idea of what he thinks. So in that way, he's quite channelized, and he tries a lot of different things. Taught in alchemy, makes his own stories. Makes his own poems even, and rhyming words. It's silly, but he still tries all that.
And we could hear him walking up and down the corridor, mumbling, crooning a tune or talking the dialogue to himself. And in a time and age where kids are exposed to so many things, I'm really happy that it is these kinds of things, because of exposure to forums like alchemy or institutions like alchemy, that his mind is channelized in that way. And also inculcating the importance of any art form at a very young age plays a very big and important role in shaping up the kid. And I think alchemy is doing a wonderful job, especially being an artist or coming from an artistic family. I understand the rigor with which it has to be done, and at the same time you cannot impose that rigor on kids, and I think alchemy is doing a wonderful job in balancing these two.
The best thing we like about alchemy is that they let the child grow and develop in their own space and don't push them. The children feel free to actually do what they want to, but in a controlled manner. And so there's nothing forced on the kid. The kid is allowed to nurture their own interests and look at other people and watch, look at their teachers, learn from the older kids. So in that way, I think alchemy stands out.
And structure within the with creativity, structure and rules, being the boundaries within which they need to operate. I think it has been a great thing that could have happened in such difficult times, and we see Vaibhav being exposed to so many different things, and he's happy about it. Especially, I should make a special mention about that the guest performance by Luciano Brindisi, and he was in awe for that, and he really enjoyed. And we personally feel that as a kid, he's learning a lot of qualities, like especially how to be patient in a virtual environment like this, and that's going to be the new normal for us, and kids are exposed to that. Some people could see that as a good thing or a bad thing, but I think it is necessary. Whether it is good or bad, it is very necessary, and he's learned to manage his time. He he knows that he has to be ready for the class, and he's able to plan his
Correct. He's also
activities accordingly.
played a lot of. He's played a big role in preparing for his, the presentations. Be it acted out. He wanted to get a costume. He tried different things. He wanted to make sure that he got the lines right and the sounds right. And every time we would make a suggestion, he would, give his input and modify it accordingly.
We have even very easily we've been able to get Vaibhav into practicing talking to a mirror, which is which is a very integral part of public speaking or oratorship. So, and there are separate clubs that are operating to train people in these things. And Alchemy, it's fused all these good elements that goes into shaping a very confident kid. And both of us would like to take this time to thank Alchemy for the wonderful job that they are doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.